Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the home surface ready because placement affects resize options. Unlock the phone and long press an empty area to open Home Settings and the Widget Picker. This reveals resizable widgets and grid options. If a widget isn't available, make sure you're using MIUI or a compatible launcher, since third-party launchers can change resizing behavior. Once the picker is open, tap and hold the desired widget and drag it onto the target home page. This first placement step enables the resize handles you'll use next. Now you manipulate the widget directly. Press and hold the placed widget until resize handles appear, then drag corners or edges to change width and height. You'll see grid snap guides. Use them to align with icons and avoid overlapping. If the widget won't extend, open its settings. Some apps lock aspect ratios or min/max sizes. Make small incremental adjustments because large jumps can force a layout refresh. Once the shape fits, release and the launcher will commit the new grid allocation automatically. Finish by tapping outside the widget to confirm placement and observe live content. This ensures it renders correctly at the new size. If alignment needs tuning, long press again and nudge the edges or move the widget to a different cell. When resizing fails, clear the launcher cache or restart the phone. If that doesn't help, open the app's own widget settings or reinstall the app. One key tip: switch temporarily to MIUI default launcher to check whether your custom launcher is blocking proper resizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.